Next, the tail light. You need a T25 Torx bit to remove these two Torx screws. After that, you have to pry out these plastic clips using a trim removal tool and remove the larger plastic clip, and the tail light assembly will just pop right out. And to make it easier, remove the tailgate latch for the upper clip. Okay, that's out. Now we have more room. There we go. Okay, so now the tail light assembly should just pop right out. There we go. Just unclip the master wiring, and then we have access to all three bulbs. So the outer two is the turn signal and the brake lights, and the middle one is for the reverse. Twist and pull out. Okay, and this is for the brake light, and it has a plastic cover with like a magnifying glass on the top. Again, this is nicely built. Out with the old and in with the new. Perfect. And this is the reverse bulb, and again, same thing, has a plastic covering with the magnifying glass. Alright, so that was pretty simple, right? And plug the main wiring, put the helmet back in, snaps in place. Now before we screw everything back in, let's go ahead and test it again and see if it actually works. And then also do a comparison between the LEDs and the halogen bulbs. Alright, so here we go. Oh, love that instant on and off. So the tail light works. Let me go ahead and try the reverse light. Yep, it works. Okay, and for comparison, the driver's side has the new LED bulbs and the passenger side has the halogen bulbs. So here we go. Oh yeah. Immediately you could tell. I mean, again, I don't know if the camera's catching it, but oh yeah, so it's much more vivid and brighter, and it catches your eye than rather than the dim-witted halogen bulbs.